पिछले वाले से आगे बढ़ते हैं. Today we will study the jet stream. There, these are a narrow belt of high altitude westerly winds in the troposphere. These streams are located approximately over 27 degree to 30 degree north latitude. Therefore, they are called subtropical westerly jet stream. Their speed varies from 110 km per hour in the summer to 184 km per hour in the winter. ये बताओ बच्चों, ये जेट स्ट्रीम है. ये एक वेस्टर्ली विंड होती है जो कि 27 डिग्री टू 30 डिग्री पर नॉर्थ में मिलती है. इसकी स्पीड वेरी होती है समर टू विंटर. Now let us have a look over the mechanism of jet stream. This is the globe. You can see subtropical jet stream is there on the north and south side. It is in pink color, and polar jet stream is there in blue color. I think it is very much clear to you all. Subtropical jet stream produce effect in subtropical region. Polar jet stream produce the effect in polar region. Cold air mass, warm air mass. In between them, the jet stream is flowing. ITCZ, Intertropical Convergence Zone. Intertropical Convergence Zone is a broad trough of low pressure in equatorial latitude. 0 डिग्री के आसपास होता है. आपने देखा है 0 से 5 डिग्री के बीच में मिलता है ये. This is where the northeast and southeast trade winds converge. This converged zone lies more or less parallel to the equator but moves north or south with the apparent movement of the sun. ITCZ lies near the equator, near 0 to 5 degree, and it is the area where we find our easterly winds, northeast and southeast wind, trade winds. Then southern oscillation. Normally when the tropical eastern South Pacific Ocean experience high pressure, the tropical eastern Indian Ocean experience the low pressure. जस्ट अपोजिट रहेगा, आप याद रखिएगा. इंडियन ओशन में जब हमारे यहाँ लो प्रेशर रहेगा, पैसिफिक ओशन में लगभग हाई प्रेशर रहता है. But in certain years there is a reversal in the pressure condition. This periodic change is known as southern oscillation or SO. The difference in pressure over Tahiti and Darwin in North Australia is computed to predict the intensity of monsoon. A feature connected with the southern oscillation is the El Nino phenomena, in which a warm ocean current that flows past the Peruvian coast in the place of the cold Peruvian current every 2 to 5 years. The changes in pressure condition are connected to the El Nino. Therefore, phenomena is referred as ENSO, El Nino Southern Oscillation. So, we have now discovered what is the true reason for this, responsible for this reverse process into Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean pressure. Then we have found, earlier we were thinking only the southern oscillation is responsible. Now we have come to result that along with the southern oscillation, El Nino is also responsible. Therefore, we are writing here ENSO, which is responsible for the change in the pressure. Now let us have a look at the mechanism of ENSO, El Nino phenomena and southern oscillation. You can see the few photo here. Australia, Indonesia है. Walker circulation is from our side, South America. This is the scene where you can see in the Pacific Ocean what is going on. The cold water pressing upward, replacing the warm water, warm surface water. And when it moves upward during normal year, then Walker circulation is there, which affect the temperature and pressure of the area near the America in Pacific Ocean. Now El Nino year, ये हर साल नहीं होता है, कभी कभी होता है. जिस साल एलिनो है उस बार क्या देखिएगा। इंक्रीज्ड कन्वेंशन, व्हेन ट्रेड विंड्स ड्रॉप वार्म सरफेस वाटर में फ्लो ईस्टवर्ड एंड ट्रेड विंड ड्रॉप्स warm sea current replace the cold water and stabilize a deep layer of warm water along the coast. This happens in the bank of the Australia. जिस साल हमारा एलिनो वाला साल होगा उस बार हम ये डिफरेंस देख सकेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ मानसून, द मानसून अनलाइक द ट्रेडर्स are not steady winds but are pulsating in nature, affected by different atmospheric conditions encountered by it on its way over the warm tropical seas. The duration of the monsoon is between 100 to 120 days from early June to mid-September. Around the time of its arrival, the normal rainfall increases suddenly and continues for several days. This is known as burst of monsoon. जैसा कि हमारे यहाँ भी होता है। You can see the northeast wind coming from ITCZ Indo-tropical convergence zone in the Indian Ocean during Bay of Bengal. It moves towards the west side, southern west winds, and produce the rainfall in between the areas. So it is clear these are onshore wind which are coming from the sea area. They are loaded with the water vapors and they set their rain in the area which fall in their traveling. This is the monsoon photograph of India. इंडिया में इसी तरह से बस्ट ऑफ मानसून होता है, इंडियन ओशन और अरेबियन सी से पानी उठता है। So till now, thank you. Next topic will be the seasons that we will discuss later.